Hi, I'm Amada, and this is an unboxing of my Rick Owens Kiss boots. Thanks for watching my first video, all of you that watched that one. Those boots I bought um, when those shoes went on sale. So I got them, I was very excited, got them home, got them on, got my foot in them, and they were quite small. Um, I went ahead and got another pair. So these are my actual size. The ones that I got, I think, were a 39, and these are a 41.5. This would be the quote unquote men's version of the shoe. So there's a less steep incline between the heel and the foot of the shoe, um, as opposed to the other version of the shoe. And here they are. I'd like to thank my friend for filming this unboxing. And I haven't even worn these yet, but I'm looking forward to doing so. Thanks again for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up and check out some of my other videos. Take care.